Yes, so I want to start by clearing up some of the false information that was circulated, believing that the bots will require recharging after working for approximately an hour. Additionally, the Tesla bot is built to last for 8 hours. It is anticipated that the average consumption rate will be roughly 250 watts, or even 300 watts or so. This would allow you to go from 100% to almost 0% for 8 hours. The actuators will be the ones depleting the energy. We now know that the Optimus actuators have a fair amount of power. A little over a year ago, around a day, Tesla produced a video demonstrating the precise power of the hamstring actuators, which are located in the bot's leg. You can see that the actuator can lift a grand piano in this really remarkable video. Have you ever wondered what powers Tesla's bot's futuristic abilities? We're delving into the fascinating details that keep Tesla's revolutionary invention fueled and prepared to take the globe by storm today. We'll explore the intricacies involved with maintaining the functionality and readiness of Tesla's bot, from battery replacement to induction charging. Let's take a brief look under the hood first, though. We'll look at the difficulties and developments influencing Tesla's bot's future and how these developments might revolutionize entire sectors of the global economy. So fasten your seatbelts because we're about to take a tour of the cutting-edge technologies behind Tesla's next major advancement. Prepare to spark your imagination and pique your interest. Just so you know, we have renowned Tesla bot specialist Dr. Scott Walter with us today to dispel these myths. We would appreciate it if you could show your support by liking this video and subscribing to Tesla Stock News before we begin. Now that we have cleared that out, let's get going. A new video showcasing the Tesla bot without its armor has recently been released by Tesla. However, many are still expressing worries about the bot's power and endurance. Let's take the skepticism directly on. With assurance, Dr. Walter states, let's start by discussing runtime. Contrary to popular belief, the Tesla bot can actually run for far longer than an hour before needing to be recharged. Dr. Walter adds, the bot can operate at peak efficiency for more than 4 hours, depending on the volume of the battery pack and its maximum power consumption. However, in actuality, the Tesla bot is made to operate effectively for an entire 8-hour shift when typical power usage is taken into account. He downplays worries about computation requirements, likening the bot's processing requirements to those of a laptop. Optimus has a computing system that is efficient and well streamlined. It is not required to perform operations like emailing or streaming videos, unlike laptops. Minimal power usage is guaranteed by this specialist system. Dr. Walter shows off the amazing actuators of the bot by citing an incredible film that Tesla has made. He says, these actuators are incredibly powerful. They can effortlessly lift a half-ton grand piano, and the energy required is surprisingly minimal, just 183 watts, equivalent to a couple of light bulbs. As the conversation progresses, Dr. Walter explains the physics underlying the bot's powers. It's just basic physics, he says. The bot uses fundamental concepts of force and motion to lift large objects with efficiency. And when you consider the energy density of its battery pack, it's evident that the Tesla bot is more than capable of undertaking hard jobs. Addressing worries about battery size, Dr. Walter confirmed, while the bot's battery pack is smaller than that of a Tesla Model Y, it packs enough juice to power the bot for extended periods. It can lift that grand piano for up to 12 hours straight or traverse a distance equivalent to 10 miles of highway driving. Let's get into the serious matter of the Tesla bot. Have you ever pondered about the sheer mass of a car? It's substantial, weighing in at roughly 3,000 to 4,000 pounds. Now compare that to the battery pack, a minuscule fraction of the car's weight, tipping the scales at about 1,000 pounds. But when it comes to Optimus, the story flips radically. The batteries in the Tesla bot weigh a modest 10 kilos at most. Optimus is anything but power hungry. They can move a grand piano with just 183 watts of energy, less than the output of a pair of light bulbs. And remember, Optimus can go the distance, operating for a whole 8-hour shift. Then there's the discussion about defying physics. But as Dr. Walter points out, comparable pessimism once enveloped electric semis, cynicism that didn't age well. Even other humanoid robot vendors promise hours of operation on lesser battery packs, increasing faith in Optimus's potential. After all, the human body achieves tough tasks efficiently. And while the Tesla bot's battery pack may be smaller than a Model Y's, it's ideally Mac. Now, let's talk aesthetics. In the current footage, the Tesla bot stands exposed sans armor, a brave move, some may say. But Dr. Walter sees it differently. He views it as a sign of confidence, a testimonial to the bot's stability and precision in motion. And those motion capture dots. They're not just for show, they serve a key purpose, aiding in data collection and fine-tuning the bot's movements. Plus, with the armor removed, the bot's slimmed-down design is visible, a monument to Tesla's attention to efficiency. But here's where it gets exciting. Could this provide a glimpse at breakthroughs in neural network training? Let us chat about the walking speed. Dr. Walter predicts a modest drop from the previous iteration, suggesting a potential adjustment in walking algorithms. But fear not, watchers, since this change likely indicates future improvements down the way. Removing the bot's armor shows more than just its sleek look. Dr. Walter underlines the clean arrangement of cabling, dispelling any illusions of anarchy lying underneath the surface. With each iteration, the Tesla bot inches closer to a polished, market-ready product, a tribute to Tesla's unrelenting quest of excellence. But the true bombshell rests in the bot's hips. Dr. Walter notes to tiny variations in hip movement across iterations, pointing significant breakthroughs in neural network training. This newfound sway not only helps balance, but also boosts motion efficiency, opening the door for smoother, more natural movements. Inspecting joint designs, Dr. Walter notices minor modifications, indicating an emphasis on refinement rather than overhaul. While details on the elbow mechanism remain elusive, Dr. Walter continues keen to uncover any small modifications. Turning our attention to the motion capturing setup, Dr. Walter discusses its important role in training the bot's neural network by detecting reflecting markings Tesla can find. Monitoring the bot's motions with accuracy, a critical step towards reaching end-to-end neural network functioning. In a previous post, Dr. Walter illustrated the viability of a 16-hour workday for the bot, sans any special charging systems, just depending on conventional break timings. But the key question remains: what's the absolute maximum workday achievable for the bot without hurting production? Dr. Walter explains a systematic approach, employing existing break plans to minimize delays and keep the manufacturing line humming. By syncing bot charging with human breaks, Dr. Walter illustrates how a 16-hour job is well within reach, with considerable opportunity for flexibility. But what about pushing the limits further? Dr. Walter investigates numerous situations, considering aspects like charging infrastructure and battery cycle. Even under the most rigorous conditions, a 20-hour workweek shows not only doable, but also comfortably achievable. Transitioning to a 3-shift model, Dr. Walter crunches the figures to determine the sustainability of extended workdays. As the shifts grow, so too does the logistical complexity, with tighter break schedules and minimal rest for workers. Ultimately, Dr. Walter's analysis presents a picture of incredible efficiency, highlighting the Tesla bot's potential to change manufacturing processes. With each shift painstakingly adjusted, the bot stands prepared to redefine the frontiers of productivity, ushering in a new era of manufacturing excellence. Let's explore the details of maximizing the Tesla bot's productivity in real-world production situations. Dr. Walter's study digs into the nuances of arranging seamless 24-hour operations, refuting misunderstandings along the way. Dr. Walter focuses a light on potential failures, presenting a scenario where the bot confronts difficulty in continuing uninterrupted operations. By challenging the existing quo, Dr. Walter underlines the significance of learning from setbacks and pushing the boundaries of innovation. Drawing on Dr. Walter's findings, it becomes obvious that strategic planning is vital. Leveraging existing break schedules enhances productivity, ensuring the bot effortlessly integrates into the process alongside human equivalents. Looking to the future, Dr. Walter anticipates that developments in battery technology and charging infrastructure will further boost the bot's capabilities. While reaching a full 24-hour workday remains on the horizon, Dr. Walter's pragmatic approach lays the framework for future advances. As the interview continues, Dr. Walter underlines Tesla's commitment to simplicity and efficiency. The bot's elegant form and impressive lifting power emphasize its readiness for real-world deployment. Intriguingly, the debate switches to the potential for battery swaps, a proposition that contradicts common thought. While Tesla has been clear about its views on battery swapping, Dr. Walter's keen eye discerns potential signals from the bot's design, creating conjecture and excitement among viewers. Dr. Walter looks into an interesting assortment of solutions targeted at tackling the bot's power requirements during battery replacement. From the unique notion of hot swapping to the incorporation of reserve batteries, each option is extensively analyzed. However, combing through these possibilities uncovers a variety of issues, extending from the financial ramifications of infrastructure development to the intricate architectural alterations required to incorporate these solutions. It's a thrilling voyage into the core of Tesla's technical growth, where every decision carries the potential to alter the future of automation. Dr. Walter then shares insights into the technical problems of adopting induction charging and its impact on the bot's design and efficiency. Finally, we can observe that Dr. Walter thinks on the role of critical thinking and first principle reasoning in addressing complicated engineering challenges. With a hint to future breakthroughs in battery technology, he invites viewers to study his extensive resource for Tesla investors on his website. Well, there we go, guys. Let's revisit the important points we've addressed regarding Tesla's bot and its battery switching options. We've gone into the challenges and potential of integrating swappable battery packs, studied the viability of induction charging, and reviewed other options to address the bot's power needs. Now, we'd love to hear from you. What are your ideas on the best way for charging Tesla's bot? Do you think battery changing, induction charging, or another alternative holds the most promise? Please share your thoughts in the section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it interesting and subscribe to Tesla Stock News for more updates on Tesla's latest inventions and advances. Stay tuned for our next episode, where we'll continue to explore the amazing world of Tesla and its breakthrough technology. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.